Almost everyone misses this one on the first try. Which sentence is written correctly? The correct answer is she doesn't enjoy reading books. Great start! Keep that streak alive. This question catches even confident readers. Which sentence uses there correctly? It's their dog loves to play fetch. You're off to a strong start. It looks simple, but don't answer too fast. Which sentence ends with the correct punctuation? The answer is please close the window. Stay sharp, the next one gets trickier. Only careful readers spot this mistake. Which sentence has the correct verb form? Nice work! It's my brother rides his bike every day. Keep your momentum going. Think carefully before you lock in your answer. Which is a complete sentence? The correct answer is the students packed their bags. You're doing awesome. Most students rush this grammar challenge. Which sentence uses who correctly? It's the player who scored smiled proudly. Can you stay perfect? This one separates good readers from great readers. Which sentence is written in the past tense? The answer is we played outside yesterday. Don't slow down now. One tiny comma changes everything here. Which sentence uses commas correctly? Nice work! It's yes. Let's start the game. The next one is even sneakier. Your brain may try to trick you here. Which sentence uses it's correctly? The correct answer is it's a beautiful day outside. Keep that winning streak alive. Let's see if your grammar skills hold up. Which sentence is written correctly? It's we quickly finished our homework. You're on fire. Even strong students stumble on punctuation. Which sentence uses quotation marks correctly? The answer is let's go, Dad said. Fantastic work. Don't blink. This challenge fools more students than you'd expect. Which sentence has correct subject-verb agreement? Nice work! It's the dogs bark loudly every day. Things are getting tougher. Watch closely. One word makes all the difference. Which sentence uses whose correctly? The correct answer is the girl whose backpack is blue one. Keep climbing. Your eyes might skip the mistake here. Which sentence is written correctly? It's Mia is taller than Ava. You're doing great! Don't let this one catch you off guard. Which sentence is written correctly? The answer is Jake and I finished first. The hardest questions are almost here. This looks easy, but there's a hidden trap. Which sentence uses it's correctly? Nice work! It's the cat cleaned its paws. Keep pushing. Can you keep your perfect score alive? Which sentence has correct capitalization? The correct answer is my favorite season is fall. You're almost at the finish. Only sharp minds notice this punctuation rule. Which sentence uses a colon correctly? It's bring the following: pencils, paper, and glue. One more big challenge ahead. This question has fooled thousands of students. Which sentence has no grammar mistake? The answer is each of the players has a helmet. Stay focused until the end. Here's the final test of your grammar skills. Which sentence is written correctly? Nice work! It's neither of the answers is correct. Awesome job making it to the end! How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and let us know which grade or subject you want to tackle next. If you're ready for another challenge, tap one of the videos on your screen now and keep your brain growing. We'll see you in the next quiz!